जवान
गाएंगे आपका गान, हमें रोक ना सकेगा कोई आंधी और तूफान।
तुम्हारा तो हम आ गए हैं अपने सिस्टर टैग, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज,
Part
बट
two.
आई स्टिल डूइंग वीडियोस ऑफ इट। तो इसमें वी हैव स्लाइटली सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन, जिसमें हमारे आंसर थोड़े लंबे होंगे। सो वी हैव नोटबुक्स हियर, विशेष हमारे स्कूल के ऑफिशियल नोटबुक्स है। विच स्कूल हैज ऑफिशियल नोटबुक्स बाय द वे? इट वाज अ वेरी स्टूपिड
Yeah,
स्कूल।
I've never seen like an
हाँ,
official
हाँ।
notebook.
मतलब उसके अलावा तुम कुछ यूज नहीं कर सकते हमारे स्कूल में।
And if you do use it, you have to
I
cover it
think-
with a brown paper.
I would love to make a CMS bashing video honestly, but I'm scared. Somebody might give
Like
supadi.
तुमको तो तब भी काफी साल हो गए हैं गए हुए. Think about me.
And she was the head girl also. I think being the head girl of CMS is an abomination.
No regrets anyway.
ठीक है, तो I'll just read out the questions and हम लोग कुछ pointers लिखेंगे and then let's see what we think about each other. तो हमारा first question है, what do you like about your sister? Let's write one thing only.
Okay. I have no idea what I like about her.
I have written. Oh, my fancy man.
I'm still thinking. You can just do a time lapse on this, no?
हाँ, तो मुंह जैसे चल रहा है ना गाय जैसे.
What do I like about her? Yeah, I got one thing. It's very materialistic.
अरे यार मुझे पता है. That's just sad.
Okay, you guess first. Okay.
अच्छा मुझे guess करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, because you
good,
know.
good. कि मैं इसकी shopping कराती हूँ. कपड़ों की है.
Almost.
She wants to order.
That is not what I said, but almost there.
हाँ, बोलो.
Yeah. I have written she gives me clothes. I have.
It's
talked
not
about-
almost. It's exactly what.
But I'm talking about like old clothes. No, I'm not talking about
Oh,
new
that's
things.
sweet. हाँ.
Yeah.
This is mine, by the way.
Um,
I love this. ये मम्मी लाई थी मेरे लिए.
it is
Everybody
not
loves
bad,
it.
but I won't buy it for myself.
हाँ, it's not your style.
Yeah.
Because वो तो हमेशा crop top ही पहनती है.
That is not true.
It's sort of true.
I can't
तो
even
तुम्हारे
read it.
this is how you talk, huh? It's sort of true.
Rubbing off on you.
अगर
all
मैं
these
वापस
months of
ऑफिस
lockdown.
जाऊंगी तो लोगों से ऐसे बात करनी
It's
कैसा?
true. That's the presentation we are doing today.
हाँ, फोन बंद हो गया.
What did you write though?
ओ हाँ, तो तुम गेस करो.
Should I? That I don't know. I'm very bubbly.
Sort of. मैंने लिखा है उसका पागलपन.
Same thing.
और
Almost.
चेष्टा का पागलपन has no bounds. She'll be lying on bed and she'll be.
I'll do like an air split. for you.
हाँ हाँ. और मेकिंग gibberish songs और रैंडमली डांस करना, गाने गाना, एंड हर रात को मतलब ऐसे 12 बजे के बाद ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एट 2-3 वो एकदम हाइपर एक्टिव हो जाती है और एकदम कूद रही है, उछल रही है, चिल्ला रही है ना. टाइम हो गया. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डू यू हेट अबाउट योर सिस्टर? I'm so fast at this.
Okay, I have also written. Okay.
Okay, हाँ. चल तुम
Always
guess करो पहले.
boosting. That I'm messy.
Nah.
Annoy you too much.
Nah.
I don't annoy you that much. Because I eat everything very fast.
Why would I hate this
I
about
don't
you?
know, I devour the snacks.
नहीं, I've written sensitive. मतलब in a
She's okay.
insensitive. You wanna say insensitive?
No,
Say it.
I was not going to say that. I just think you are, yeah.
नहीं तो I say sensitive because हम लोग की कभी लड़ाई होती नहीं है as such.
Yeah.
And जब होती है तो इतने stupid चीज़ों पे होती है.
And it is like a 30-second thing.
तो अभी हम लोग 2 महीने से साथ में और हमारी शायद एक बार लड़ाई हुई है.
I don't
जब-
even remember.
छोटी मोटी तो होती रहती है. एक बार शायद बड़ी लड़ाई हुई थी कि वो कमरा छोड़ के चली गई थी और मैं सोच रही हूँ कि shit यार लड़ाई कैसे हो गई इसका, मतलब क्योंकि लड़ाई होती ही नहीं है.
छोटे में होती थी बस because I was a bitch. That is my fault.
छोटे में हाँ, छोटे बच्चे तो पागल ही होते हैं जो भी. पर हाँ, तो just sensitive in that sense कि if you could reduce that sensitiveness in that area only.
Okay.
कि छोटी बातों पे गुस्सा मत हो. नहीं भी करके फर्क नहीं पड़ता because 2 महीने में एक बार I think fine.
Yeah.
You should fight.
We
It's
don't
healthy.
fight for like.
हाँ मतलब फिर
Long.
next thing I was
I come
texting
back and I
memes.
scream and it is over.
Okay, next question is, what do your sister and you have in common?
Do we have anything in common?
हमारे मम्मी पापा.
Except that. That we are siblings. तुम मेरी बहन हो, तुम्हारी बहन.
not a, मतलब वैसे बहुत अच्छा आंसर नहीं है, but whatever.
This is very stupid, okay? Because I can't think of anything.
हाँ, same. मैंने भी वही किया. I am not even gonna guess because I can't.
Yeah, same.
हाँ, तुम बताओ पहले आंसर.
I have written that we wear glasses is what we have.
Oh my god, मुझे लगा था मेरा डम है, इसका तो बहुत ही डम है.
How pretty not it?
मैंने लिखा है that we both like mountains.
Because I haven't seen the beach.
Trust me, you will not like it. It sucks. ठीक है.
It's very hot and you will find sand for 3 months in your kapadas.
नहीं, but I don't. हाँ, it's hot and humid. And you don't even like water because हम दोनों को swimming करना नहीं आता है, तो what's the point? चलो next. Let's leave this question. I want to do it. It's what annoys you most about your sister. जो I think we have already covered it in detail. What's your funniest memory together? हम पक्का हम दोनों की same नहीं होगी. I don't even know anything like funniest.
Yeah, we haven't lived that much together.
Because by the time she grew up, I was out of town and I was doing my bachelor's in Delhi. We don't have a funniest memory together.
I wrote pista chilka wala.
मैं वही लिखने वाली
And
थी.
that is,
I don't know why it was
find
so
it
funny.
Yeah, because you are being lazy.
Oh, we are very lazy. मतलब
That is one thing we have in common.
Okay, so funniest memory together. Maybe just put this for the heck of it because both of us thought about it. It's a very lame memory जिसमें हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे पिस्ता खाए और उसके छिलके बेड पे रखे थे. And there was a dustbin right next to our bed. And मैंने इतने सारे पिस्ता उठा के ऐसे डालने की कोशिश करी and वो सब जमीन पे गिर गए. And then I had to.
That dustbin was here. Her hands were here. The pista chilka were here.
मतलब just because I couldn't look at it. I didn't want to look at it because I was so lazy. मुझे फिर सारा उठा के उसमें डालना
Too
पड़ा.
confident.
Yes. ये तो डस्टबिन तो मैं बचपन से देख रही हूँ यहीं पे. Okay, next question. What do you do for fun? I know.
Do you? I'm like,
I'm not even writing anything. पता है मैं बस ऐसे एक word लिखती हूँ बनाने. हाँ.
yeah, just elaborated, no?
Handwriting.
What the? I can't even read it.
ठीक है. Let me guess.
Yeah.
Listen to music. Close.
That could have been a nice one.
What did you write?
But I'm like the music you listen to.
Neither do I.
Like the music I listen to. I've written games. Like Asphalt and
correct.
Creed Battle. Play that a lot.
That's what you're playing these days. And पहले भी हम लोग PUBG. The last time I came home, last time I came home, what we did all day was just play PUBG. मतलब 24/7. 12/7. We were playing PUBG.
And people could come home at that time. It was
And
fun.
people would come home and we would play PUBG with them in the same room. And there were 4 people sitting on a bed and all of us were playing PUBG.
Yes.
Good days.
Good times, yeah.
Okay, I have written music मैंने इसलिए बोला because I have written the song game.
Oh yeah.
So when we were kids, we used to have iTunes on our desktop. We had a desktop तभी, and it had like 1,000-2,000 songs. And तभी हम लोग का music taste same था because we were not very choosy about music जो मिलता था download
हम लोग
होता
like
था.
that was like Billboard Top 100 और वो सब सुनते थे.
Top 20 तो हमारे
Yeah.
iTunes पे आ ही जाता था and वो सब पड़ा रहता था iTunes पे. And what he would do is he would close the monitor और हम लोग control right arrow करते रहते थे. And we would used to guess कि किस मतलब ट्यून से guess करना होता था before the lyric is said कि कौन सा गाना है. And we still play that. And that was also the inspiration for our last video because हम बचपन से यही कर रहे हैं.
Another thing we have in common.
It's not really common, मतलब that's something
But
we used to
yeah.
share and do together.
It was fun. I
हाँ.
used to like.
And now our music choices are so different. She only listens to K-pop. I only listen to Indian instrumental. जिसके नाम मुझे भी नहीं पता because I just like it on Spotify and मुझे नहीं पता वो कौन से गाने हैं तो yeah. But we and now that we try to do that game with Bollywood music, she doesn't know 90s के गाने and I don't remember 2000s के गाने, तो थोड़ा weird था.
जनरेशन क्या
काफी ज़्यादा. पहले पापा मम्मी में जनरेशन गैप है, फिर मम्मी मुझ में है, फिर मुझ में और तुम में. It's too much gap. And the next question is, which question is the next one? Okay. Describe your sister in just 3 words.
Okay. Are we going negative here? What do I do? Give me one word for yourself, no?
No. Winner. Amazing.
Loser.
मैं तुम्हारा भी लिखने वाली थी लूजर कल के गेम के बाद.
There's the lie.
तुम बहुत उधर हो गई, उधर आओ.
Okay, you tell me first.
ठीक है, तो आई हैव रिटन फनी बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली शी मेक्स मी लाफ ऑल डे, कुछ तो पागलपन कर करके. सेकेंड इज डम, तो शी इज रियली डम. बट जब हम लोग कुछ देख रहे होते हैं शोज और कुछ पढ़ रहे होते हैं, तो आई एम सो डम, आई डोंट गेट शिट.
I'm like dumb, like I think.
Or maybe I'm just not paying attention.
Yeah.
I think.
No, I think you just don't realize.
पता नहीं.
At least I want to.
But never used to happen before. पहले मतलब बॉम्बे में मैंने watch something I get it. I just think I'm not paying
Yeah,
attention.
could be.
तो हाँ, there's like ऐसे कुछ scene हो जाए ना, like what just happened ऐसे shows
I'm not
में.
even watching sometimes. And I
हाँ,
tell
she's
you.
just listening and she's like,
Yeah.
oh ये हुआ था. And the last word is cute. So because
Yaar, I wrote it. No, why you copy?
ये बहुत आसान ये word.
No one would agree.
Also, these voices we make is only next to each other. Now it's coming
Yeah.
on video because we're still next to each other. This is very embarrassing, but it's okay. Cute because yeah, that. जैसे आज मैं इसको बोल रही थी, so whenever I have calls, office calls, तो मैं रूम में बैठी रहती हूँ. She leaves the room and goes to the other room, and when she comes back, I'm like, I missed you.
Because I don't have anything to do now. So you're on
And
call
she's
and
watching something and it disturbs me.
Yeah. The first word, can you guess what it is? It's like in a negative sense.
Dominating.
No.
अच्छा.
I didn't grumpy.
Oh, grumpy क्यों?
You
तो
are.
मैं बहुत cynical हो गई हूँ.
Yeah.
हाँ. I hate
She
everything and
wasn't like
everyone.
that. पहले. Now
No,
she-
because I tell you these things now. I was always like this. But
Annoying.
now because I think she gets it, I'm like, Shrestha, is this annoying? Is this person annoying or is it just me?
Usually it's just her.
Sometimes the लोग कुछ Instagram पे post करेंगे, I'm like, why the hell have they posted this? Are they annoying? Do I hate them? And she's like, it's okay, let them be.
Second, I've written cute.
हाँ.
Because you are. I also like this tooth you have. Is it
Okay.
on this side or on this?
Guess.
This side. Not very good with directions also. And I have written laughs easily.
Yeah.
Yeah. I might not be funny, but she laughs easily. So I'm very glad.
Next question. What is your nickname that हमने ये क्वेश्चन एक
That-
वेबसाइट से कॉपी किए थे.
That family
टाइपोज
calls.
है.
What's your nickname that family call?
Okay.
My
Yes.
family call.
तो क्योंकि मैं आई एम द एल्डर सिबलिंग, आई एम नॉट कॉल्ड बाय एनी क्यूट नेम्स. ऑल द क्यूट नेम्स हैव बीन गिवन टू श्रेष्ठा. एक सेकंड, मुझे अपने नाम लिखने थे क्या?
Yeah.
Oh, मेरे कोई नाम नहीं है.
What did पापा ने भी कुछ नहीं बोला तुम साथ?
नहीं.
Okay, I have it.
एक सेकंड, पर पापा ने मेरा फोन पे नाम सेव किया था ना,
Princess. You were princess. I was Lil Princess.
लिल.
I was
पापा
Lil
ने कैसे लिखा
Princess.
Lil
I
Princess?
don't know, यार.
पापा is fancy.
Yeah, dolphin and princess and
हाँ,
all.
Mama calls her mother dolphin. Used to call her mother dolphin apparently.
Yeah.
Because my mother's father used to call her dolphin apparently.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
New info. The most common one is Shresthu because I always get it.
Isn't complicated
Yeah,
enough.
Shresthu, and I get it confused with Mittu a lot of times.
Which
Mummy
is
is
her
calling
parents'
him
name.
मिट्टू को बुलाती है मम्मी एंड I'm the one asking हैं.
आज मैं सो देयर इज अ मिरर जो हमारे कोई पड़ोसी छोड़ के गया था मैं घर के नीचे, तो वो हमने ऊपर ला के रखा. तो मैंने मम्मी से पूछा ऊपर से, मम्मी शीशा कहाँ है? मम्मी कहती है टीवी देख रही होगी. तो शीशा, श्रेष्ठा, पेठा.
Oh yeah, I've written Petha also.
हाँ, I've also written पेठा.
Yeah.
And I've written बच्चू also. मम्मी का
Yeah,
बोलती है
and I've
बच्चू.
written Lomdi, which Papa used to do. Still does sometimes.
हाँ, वो वैसे चालाक लड़की थी
Yeah,
बचपन में.
चालू चंडाल,
चालाक
चंचल.
लोमड़ी. ओ मुझे सरिया बुलाते थे मामा लोग.
अरे मुझे सड़ेष्ठा बुलाती है मामा.
मैंने
You did not
grumpy.
know.
नहीं तो तुम grumpy हो सरिया.
I really didn't like that name.
I did not like Sariya. This Sariya is fine. I'm like, but it
Sounds nice at least. No
Sariya?
Sariya. हाँ, it is better than सड़ेष्ठा.
सड़ेष्ठा.
आती थी ऐसे पैर छू बीप बीप. तो हमेशा ऐसे she used to pinch my feet. आ गई सड़ेष्ठा. I was like,
Oh, I remember this now.
Yeah.
हाँ, she used to pinch me also.
Yeah.
I don't like people who pinch.
Nah, I'm fine with
We have a Nana ji also used to pinch our cheeks.
But I
Their
don't.
face.
Ooh. Oh yeah. He still does sometimes. But we have grown
सिद्धू
up now.
मुझे नहीं करते अब. ठीक है. What is your next question is what is your sister's favorite food/drink?
Okay. Guess what I have written? It is very generic. Like
Sushi.
generic. Sushi is generic since when?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Cold drink होगा.
Yeah, cold drink I have written.
हाँ.
Yes. She drinks too much cold drink, I think.
अब
And
तो नहीं
maybe
पी रही.
should, because मिल नहीं रही है. I
नहीं
guess.
वैसे भी नहीं पी रही थी.
I'm glad.
पिछले साल बहुत पी मैंने इसलिए.
I have written burger or garlic bread. Because you used to text me तुम्हें garlic bread खाना है. When I was
Because you also like garlic bread, इसलिए मैं तुमको उस टाइम पे टेक्स्ट करती हूँ. Because that reminded me of you. Garlic bread.
What reminds you of each other? Garlic bread.
I like Asian.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे लिए मैं लिखा पिज्जा.
I like pasta more.
पास्ता भी लिखा है मैंने.
Yeah.
और मैंने लिखा है mango based drinks.
Yeah. Fruity maza and all. I don't drink Coke.
Better. That face was really ugly.
I don't care if you know me. Please don't.
Okay, next question. What is your sister's? Let's make this. What is the game you guys like to play together?
Now
Or ever?
ever. Okay.
हाँ.
You are so like organized. Just look at this, no?
What मैं कम से कम एटलीस्ट मैं
What has happened?
एक लाइन छोड़ के लिख रही हूँ.
एक line. My line are in 2 lines.
Why do you do that?
I don't know.
हाँ बोलो तुम बोलो. I don't want to guess this one.
I have written 2 things. When we used to, you know, that blanket fort we used to make and we used to eat.
Oh,
under
certain
that.
games लिखे. Oh, so
Yeah,
cute.
I really
हाँ.
liked that because मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ उस टाइम पे ना.
हाँ.
I'm
मैं
glad you
तुम्हारे
did
पैदा
that.
होने से पहले भी खेलती थी मैं अकेले.
That is
Sad life.
And I've also written the song game. And also wrote छुपन छुपाई that we used to play नुरई नानी के घर पे.
हाँ, और मैं
I
treasure
really
hunt भी करती थी
yeah.
तुम लोगों के लिए.
I really
तुम्हें treasure hunt याद है
वो
वो?
chits वाले ना.
हाँ.
I remember.
काफी अच्छे गेम्स बनाती थी मैं तुम लोगों के लिए. मैं
Good
इतनी
job.
छोटी थी और मैं इन लोग के लिए treasure hunt बनाती थी जिसमें चिट्स में क्लू होता था जो अगले क्लू तक पहुंचाता था. I don't know how I used to do that.
Good times. Good
क्या
times.
लिखती हो तुम उस
I
चिट्स
don't
में?
even remember.
Wow, my writing skills must have come from there.
You
Non-existent
have
writing
them right now,
skills. वो मैंने तो ऐसे generic games लिख दिए जैसे PUBG और Zuma. Zuma is a good one.
I have played it too much. I'm going to play it after this also. I played tomorrow also.
He's been playing it for 60 days.
I've completed it like 3 times already. That
and
is how obsessed I
एक
am.
गेम में glitch था and
It is in Russian by the way. The game is in Russian.
हम लोग Google Translate खोल के देखते हैं उसमें कि
I don't
क्या है.
even need to translate it anymore. I just know what is where.
लिखा था वो टॉरेंट पे कि रशियन है. अरे how does it matter? Next question is who is the most talented? I don't have to do anything for this. She is. Well, she's a dancer. She sings decently.
Sometimes.
When she is not like
Yeah.
plugged into her earphones. Earphones वाला तो.
Just remembering.
और ऐसे थोड़े subtle talents I would say मुझ में है जो
हाँ.
important नहीं है life में.
No.
Writing is whatever. Like I'm I'm not great at it, but
It might be useful later.
it's
It might be
useful at
something
my
that you
work.
want to do later.
It's useful at my work life
Yeah.
also, but I would have preferred dancing, I think.
It's okay.
Okay, next question.
It do be like that sometimes.
तुम्हें बोलना है कुछ अपने टैलेंट के बारे में?
No, I like it very much. That's it.
डांसिंग दीवा को मैं यहाँ पे
No one
few
will
people
ever.
watch it.
To the specific person, no memes will be made on this video.
Next question is, what is your sister really good at?
Oh, I thought you were going to be really bad at. I was like, wait, let me tell you.
Really good at?
What are you good at?
We should write. Achho, fuck it. You're good at dancing.
Yeah. That is it. That is my
and
everything.
entertaining people, and she is very inclusive,
Yeah.
and like she can adjust with anybody. जैसे
Yeah.
मेरे सारे friends के साथ she was very friendly. Also she has no friends except for 2 people.
Love you both.
No, she has friends. बस school से I guess 2 ही लोग हैं.
Yeah. College में भी नहीं है. It is most of them are like hi hello type. दिख गए तो बात कर लेते हैं.
Roommates?
Then them also. इतना बात नहीं होता है.
अभी next year पता चलेगा जब hostel बदल जाएंगे. That will be
I don't want that
sad.
to happen.
Let's see if college.
What are you good at?
ever. You have to tell me.
What are you good at? What is she good at? Comment down below.
What? I'm good at nothing apparently.
No, you are good at writing. You are good at teaching me maths also.
वो बाय द वे तुम्हें जो मैथ्स पढ़ाई थी वो मेरे टेस्ट के एग्जाम में आई
Oh
थी
my God.
3-4
Good for you.
वो क्लास 7th की बात
मतलब तुम क्या ही पढ़ाती थी? She used to get annoyed later. कहती तुम्हारे दिमाग में भूसा भरा है, निकलो यहाँ से. That was the end of my maths career.
career?
Yeah. That was the day I decided अब नहीं पढ़ूंगी कभी मैं.
अच्छी बात है ना
हाँ ना. Nice.
बस that's all.
And she's good at writing and
Wow, again.
choosing gifts for other people.
Oh,
She,
yes.
I think she knows people well. Like you know what their choices are. You know what I mean?
हाँ
Yeah.
not in clothes though.
वो मुझे नहीं
तो
लगता
मुझे
मुझे
खुद
खुद
के
के लिए
लिए
भी.
Okay, next question, what is your sister really bad at?
Math.
I'm bad at math.
We are both bad at math.
You're bad at cooking.
That is because I've never even tried.
So right now you're bad at cooking.
Yeah. Because I don't know it.
मतलब इसको तेल नमक कुछ नहीं पता अभी ऐसे
नमक पता है मुझे.
कि किस चीज़ में बेसन पड़ता है, like she has no clue what ingredients go in what.
I am here to eat. We are here for a good time, not a long time.
कहाँ से आई है?
I don't know. It must be a meme.
Okay, next question. Oh, तुमने नहीं बताया what am I bad at?
I remembered that. I didn't tell, but I was like letting it slide.
हाँ बोलो.
What are you bad at? Dancing is what she's bad at.
Yeah, not so bad now.
And she's also bad at talking nicely to other people or about them. That is a fact.
Okay, fine.
To people who think that she likes you, maybe she does not.
Oh my god! Editing this up. Editor यहाँ है.
जोकर इधर है.
Okay, next question. Are you both close?
Yes.
Fairly close. But जब हम अलग अलग cities में रहते हैं तो we forget to get in touch. But that's okay, we catch up at
हाँ
times.
ना.
क्या अभी क्या रोज
क्या?
बात करें, बोर करें एक दूसरे को. तो
इतना
important
क्या ही
चीजें होती
होता
है
है
बता
बता
देते हैं. हाँ.
लाइक मेजर इवेंट कोई होता है, कुछ फनी होता है, जस्ट टेक्स्ट हर को.
हाँ. And कोई ऐसे issue problem हो तो we know
हाँ.
we are always there for each other. What's a weird habit of your sister?
Do you have any habits?
हाँ. You can say I write my journal. That's a habit.
I might also go as far as saying it's a bad habit.
Why is it a bad habit?
Reminder आता है कि फिर लिखना पड़ेगा. Why do you have to write it when you don't want to?
Because I want to remember everything. You saw how much fun it was to read those journals.
रोज लिखते हैं कि क्या खाया है.
Maybe I should not write it daily.
Yeah.
But
That
I-
would be better.
I'll still do it. I like it. I like habits. I like habits which I can keep every day. Shrisha का weird habit है gibberish गाने गाना. I really want to link one here.
Yeah, you should put. I don't mind. You can put the sound here. थोड़ा सा.
song. I don't know what it is.
It
It's
is
like
truly
alien language.
A masterpiece. It will benefit me only, that alien language. You guys wait and watch. When aliens come, I'll be the one talking. I'll be the one translator for you all. I can also do that.
What is this?
But my fingers are teddy.
What is this?
Spock.
No, it is Jadoo.
Oh.
मैंने देखी भी नहीं है Star Trek. By the way, इसने Star Wars भी नहीं देखी है. Doesn't care. What was your biggest fight? What is that face?
That's so Raven.
ऐसे कोई बड़ी फाइट नहीं है हमारी.
हुई होगी यार कभी.
हाँ तो याद नहीं है मतलब.
तुम्हें
it
क्या
wasn't that
याद
big.
है? I just want to know this. मैंने in my mind I remember that I've hit you once and your nose was bleeding. Was it true? But I do remember it. You were crying on the divan.
Possibly.
Downstairs, yeah. गलती से मारता मैंने तो like
हाँ.
sorry मम्मी से बोलना और something like that.
ओ एक बार मैं और सिद्धू तुमको खिला रहे थे तुम गिर गई थी सर के बल.
I don't remember that.
That was really scary though. मतलब she was almost a baby and सिद्धू उसको अपने ऊपर बिठा के सही उस like घोड़े वाला जो करते हैं ना वो कर रहा था and she fell down ऐसे सीधा सर पे लगा and she was crying हमने किसी को बताया भी नहीं.
Let's blame someone for me being down now.
ठीक है next question. Last question. Describe the last thing you did with your sister.
This. Another video.
Another video and उससे पहले research for both the videos.
Yeah. And we ate dinner where I didn't get paneer ka paratha that I wanted.
And कल से पापा वापस आ रहे हैं घर पे and we'll get proper food which we are not very happy about
Oh,
because
yeah.
अभी तक हमको junk
I was
food
being
मिल रहा
happy
था.
that we would play cards. I was like, yeah, Papa.
हाँ मतलब हम पत्ते खेलेंगे वो अच्छी बात है बट हमें अच्छा खाना मिलेगा प्रॉपर फुल सब्जी दाल रोटी चावल खाना पड़ेगा दैट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग बट वी वर ईटिंग जंक मोस्टली ऐसे मम्मी जंक मतलब मम्मी वाला जंक मतलब लाइक कैसे
Like paneer bhurji types
हाँ.
instead of paneer matar.
हाँ and that makes it better somehow.
Such a good explanation.
Okay, bye. Please तो अपने फोन का डिस्प्ले बढ़ाओ पहले. I'm not doing this.
Always keep me. Wait, I'm missing one more thing.
What is that? She makes that face every day. ऐसे बोर होगी और बस ऐसे ही मुंह बना रही. मैं ऐसे देखूंगी और she'll be making that face. It's so funny. Where's my pen? Oh, okay. बेड के नीचे चल.
What is this? Let me. I have long hands.
And legs. Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Where's mine? Okay.